At this squash plant here, we have, I want to say, 3 squash that I'm going to cut. This variety is a crookneck squash. And here we go. And here's a bigger one. And the plant itself has several female flowers on it with baby squash. So if they all get pollinated, I will probably end up with about 6 more fruit from this one plant. It is doing tremendously well. Here we have the longhorn cayenne pepper, and we actually have fruit. I didn't mean to pick this one, but it came off. Wanted it to get red, but we have fruit growing, and eventually we'll have more that I can come out here and pick. Eggplants are starting to form, so it seems like I'm having better success up here with the eggplant than I did down in South Florida. Here we're at the patty pan squash bed, and we have one big one that I want to cut. I don't have any more female flowers growing on this one particular plant, so I'm going to cut it, and hopefully the cutting it will make the plant produce more. This one is huge. It started to turn yellow. It's still green here, so hopefully if I take it inside, it will ripen up some. But previous video, we harvested 3 from this bed also. On several, on a couple of the other plants, I see several female flowers. They haven't opened up to be pollinated yet. I may have to come back in and